Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. Okay, now I will presentation my research. The title is Interactive Multimedia Innovation based on Android using Smart App Creator 3.0 as learning media for buffer solution material. The author from this research, Ni Gusti Rahman, and my co-author are Nur Fajriani and Iis Siti Jahro. The introduction from this research, the current development of the Industrial Revolution 4.0 era teacher must to understand about digital literacy, technology literacy, and human literacy. Teacher with technology literacy skill, the impact is ability in using information and communication technology, or ICT, as a means of supporting the teacher and learning process. The teacher can use ICT in teaching learning process while can developing learning media that lead to interactive multimedia. One of interactive multimedia is interactive multimedia based on Android. The problem, the use of smartphone for students has not been used optimally for learning. Students only use smartphone for play games and open the media social. So, if the student use smartphone in the teaching and learning process, can change negative view of smartphone use and completing the teacher in delivering chemistry subject matter that can improve learning outcome. So many software can be used to develop interactive multimedia. For example, Adobe Android Studio version 3.0 Integrated Development Environment or IDE with the Java programming language and other. But based on Android observation, interactive multimedia development using the help of Smart App Creator 3.0 or such software is still rare. The primacy of the Smart App Creator 3.0 is can develop Android-based interactive multimedia without using a programming language. The purpose from this research is develop Android-based interactive multimedia using Smart App Creator 3.0 on buffer solution material. Can make it easier for students to understand abstract chemistry material so that it can improve learning outcome and can increase student motivation to learn. The method from this research, the type of the research used in this research is development research or R&D, using the 4D model, define, design, develop, and disseminate. As a step in developing Android-based interactive multimedia on buffer solution material, Android-based interactive multimedia was developed using the help of Smart App Creator 3.0 software, which was tested on 25 students. The data collection techniques used were direct observation, interview, questionnaires, and learning outcome tests, which were analyzed using descriptive statistical data analysis techniques, which include the average score of the eligibility test by material and media expert and the average score of learning outcome. In addition, inferential statistical data analysis techniques are also used, namely the T1 sample test using the SPSS22 for Windows program. After completing the pre-quiz test called the normality test, the result and discussion from this research, the interactive multimedia that has been developed will be tested for its eligibility by material and media expert. Then revision are made until the product is eligible and can be used as a learning medium for buffer solution material. Material validation was carried out by a chemistry education lecturer and teacher using eligibility questionnaire instrument based on the National Education Standard Agency or BSNP. The aspect that will be tested to predict the eligibility of media consists of the eligibility of content, language, and presentation. Based content eligibility test results, The average eligibility test by lecturer and teacher for the aspect of content eligibility is 3.65, which is included in the very eligible category. And best language eligibility test result, the average ability test by lecturer and teacher for the aspects of the language eligibility is 3.95, which is included in the very eligible category. And best result of eligibility test for presentation, the average eligibility test by lecturer and teacher for the eligibility aspect of presentation is 3.81, which is included in the very eligible category. And the media expert assessment is carried out by someone who is an expert in the fields of multimedia development, system analysis, and knowledge management. The media expert assessment is focused on the eligibility aspect of presentation, which consists of three components, which include the stand or appearance, media operation, and visual. Based on media expert validation result, the average eligibility test by media expert for the design or appearance is 3.83, which is in the very eligible category. For the media operating component, there are four which are included in the very eligible category. And for the visual component, 3.6 also include in the very dissident category. While the alphagraphical component is 3.81, so it can be concluded that the result of the eligibility analysis by media expert are fairly eligible to be applied with some suggestion and input given. And improving student learning outcomes, can we know where we get engagement score? This result, we use number of students is 25. So we can get the average value from the pretest is 26,4, and the average value from post-test is 79,2. So we can get engagement score is 0,71. So the classification is high. Furthermore, to measure the learning outcome of students whether or not the KKM value set by school can be measured by using the one sample test using SPSS which previously carried out the required test first, namely the normality test. Based on the result of the one sample test, the stick value is obtained 0.020x less more 0.05. Then, so it can be concluded that the learning outcome of the student after the application for interactive multimedia based on Android development result can meet the KKKM standard that have been set in the school, namely 75. And the conclusion from this research, Smart Art Creator 3.0 is a tool for developing interactive multimedia based on Android that is easy to use, and the resulting product is very easy to apply, which can be used as an interesting learning medium for learning chemistry that can improve student learning outcomes. The interactive multimedia based on Android that has been developed is very suitable for use as a learning medium in the buffer solution material, so that the learning is most interesting and the teacher can complete the teaching material. Okay, I think enough my presentation. I say sorry for my mistake, and I finally wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.